Let's take a look outside on the street. Here's the view from the Hard Rock Hotel, West 48th Street and 7th Avenue in Manhattan.
Ja, es spielt ja keine Rolle, es sind ein paar Sachen. Hey, ich komm nicht raus, was?
Here we are at 7th Avenue and like 48th Street. And that's Beetlejuice.
With your nephew. With your
Yeah,
nephew.
with my nephew. That's that guy blocking my camera. Wicked. Alright. Want a pair of shoes? Looking outside at nature's art. That's a beautiful tree.
Look at that
with the
building up
autumn.
there.
Ah, yeah. Might be a church, you know. They got enough money to put gold on their building. Alright, take a look at that building. See one like right here? That's the skinniest building. And so tall. Hey, see what it says here? This is a gun-free zone. I shouldn't have brought my gun with me. I always have my pistol with me. See, life isn't perfect, but your makeup can be. Blue Mercury.
Oh, let's go in.
That's Radio City Music Hall. Across the street there. There's a fountain. Drop a coin in, make a wish.
$6 billion company.
Radio City Music Hall. And these are all the food cart vendors all year long. They're here all year long. Here's a beautiful water fountain display.
What is it behind you?
The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon.
Jimmy Fallon, man.
Alright.
Right next to Radio City Hall, huh?
Yep. All 51 African Americans. And this is 1221 Avenue of the Americas. Nice little courtyard there. Today, this is like the middle of November. Trees are still in bloom. Flowers are still in good condition. Oh, strained my neck.
Block away, right?
Huh?
We're here. It's right there.
Okay. For the city that never sleeps. Krispy Kreme donuts.
Look, it's here. How do we get in?
To the door.
Where's the entrance?
of billboards. Olive Garden, we're gonna go in there for lunch. Alright, his entrance is probably there. You could have your cake and eat it too. Too much sugar. And out the window of the Olive Garden. West 47th Street.
It's like an overdose of commercial.
There you go. More stuff to kill you.
Sorry guys.
Oh.
Hey buddy.